Myrtle Adriana Young's remains are in the United States, where a new autopsy is expected to be conducted by a new post-mortem examiner. We'll bring you further details as they come to us, but here is what we know so far. The remains of the 11-year-old left Guyana on Monday, May 26, 2025, via the Chetty Jagan International Airport. The body was headed for a forensic facility in Atlanta, Georgia. We understand that the body was sent to the United States behind the parents, who arrived in the United States on an earlier flight.
All right, my people. There you have it. There you have it. After much debate, after such a lengthy wait, we can say that the parents of Adriana Young and everyone who's been following this case is finally one step further to finding out the truth. Guys, even though even though it is such a tragic situation, I'm smiling from on the from on the inside because we are one step closer today to finding out the truth. We saw how everything played out on social media. We saw how, I would say, the injustice that was done from the beginning of the incident, the neglect, the dragging of feet, we saw it all. And until you are placed in a situation where you personally have to deal with the loss of a family member or somebody close to you in this manner, knowing that you've passed, you've looked, you've searched, and this family member would have been nowhere in sight and then mysteriously appeared a few hours after. Until you are placed in that position, the naysayers, because I've gotten some comments all over. It's until you are left to deal with some of these things, then you can understand. That sometimes it's not about dragging the issue. No, it's not. It's not about go mind your own business and leave Guyana alone and all kind of stuff. No, it's not. It's all of us. This played out on social media in the eyes of the world. So it would be selfish of you to come and leave these types of comments because we saw it all. We went through it. Because from the beginning of all things, everybody who were there and had cell phones or whatever gadget, it was turned on and they was streaming. So we saw it. And we are going through it just like you, and you. Come on now. These are the things that happens many times in life, in history, that happened many times in life in history that made change. Remember things like the Amber Alert? Yes, it came from an incident. Remember? And many countless other names. So don't be so selfish and quick to jump and judge and accuse like, oh, you all want to drag this thing. Come on now. Come on now. Would you feel better to brush it off like how a lot of the others wanted to do and bury the child, and the parents want money and da da da. Come on now. Anyway, I'm only here this morning, this evening, this night, wherever, whenever time you watch this content. I'm only here to say, let us continue to hope that the findings will finally lead to the truth. I saw the images. We all saw the images. What could have gone wrong with her skin to cause all those marks, those lacerations on her knees or gouges, whatever you call it? Come on now. Come on now. Come on now. Come on now. That was not drowning. Nobody's crazy. Even the dead would get up and say, hell no. So we are one step closer to finding out what really happened. Let us hope for the best. Let us continue to pray that the parents will find comfort. Yo, yo, yo. If I see a kid fall, as a mother, or I hear a baby cry somewhere off in the distance, there is this thing inside of my guts that cringe. Can you imagine having to deal with something like this when people want to hush you? It's painful. You look at the images and you know that your child went there with full skin color, no burn mark, no vitiligo, no nothing, no discoloration, no gouges on her knees. And it was not any kind of thing to do with decaying or nothing like that. She was never in the pool and then mysteriously appear with all of them kind of something. Come on now. And I'm only saying all of this as a form of response to a lot of comments that were left. Some of them I just remove them because it's senseless. Because it is a whole heap that sees, but it's only a few that knows. And as Bob Marley say, who feels it knows it. You understand? Anyway, my guys, let us continue to trust and pray, as we heard on that clip, the news clip, that the body has been flown out to Atlanta for a second postmortem, which to me is one step closer. And I hope it's the same to you. I hope it's the same for you. One step closer towards justice for this sweet little angel. May her soul rest in peace.